Evening Edition.
And the joy of sound. The New Jersey woman is the first in the state to test out a new hearing aid. Your news starts right now. A new innovation is helping a New Jersey woman hear again. Fast One's Tom Murphy is in Berkeley Heights with her story.
Joan Rekemeir is enjoying a game of telephone with her kids.
Ice cream sundae.
It's something she didn't think would ever be possible again. It was back in May of 2015. Rekemeir woke up hearing those same kids speaking in what she described as robotic noises.
It sounded like Charlie Brown or like the movie WALL-E was in my ear.
Rekemeir initially considered it symptoms to a cold she was dealing with, but the noises didn't clear up.
Possibility that it was hearing loss was not even on the radar for me.
By the time she went to the doctor, they told her it wasn't a cold. Rekemeir actually had single-sided deafness.
I could hear just really strange, distorted sounds.
Doctors told her a hearing aid wouldn't help.
Conventional hearing aid for single-sided deafness doesn't work because there's nothing, a hearing aid just amplifies sound, makes things louder, and there are no nerve endings left to pick up that sound.
She struggled in social situations and was unable to communicate with her kids. She went back to the ear, nose, and throat doctor. That's when they told her about a new technology.
This is just one more device in our armamentarium of things to offer to patients.
Bonebridge is a new hearing implant designed to fix single-sided deafness.
Signal goes across the skin through those coils, and the signal is sent down to this canister, so to speak, that's implanted in her skull.
I can hear you.
And you can hear?
Rekemeir is the first person in New Jersey to receive this device.
I'm feeling totally normal.
She's already excited about the results.
I'm talking to just hear myself and how it sounds.
He says if you find yourself struggling with your hearing,
If there's ever any kind of change to your hearing, don't go to your regular doctor. Go directly to the ENT because there is a chance that they can save the hearing.
listen to someone that has gone through it. Go see a specialist. In Berkeley Heights, Tom Murphy, FIOS 1 News.